Hey friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today I will welcome you guys as we begin OneNAS chatbot or coming up with AI and Python. Now this is going to be a complete introduction video on Python with OneNAS creating up chatbot with Python. I'm going to be walking with you through on different scenarios and different things and making sure that you guys we all move together and you benefit out of this. Now before maybe proceeding and before beginning up this looking to this, I would like you guys make sure please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get the best out of me, because when you follow me up we shall get to know what to do together. Now I'm just going to take you first of all, for you guys maybe this is your first video to watch with me, to learn with me, I encourage you guys to go to python.org and then you download the Python. Just go to python.org. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'm going to put this on the video description so that you can get to know and download. So definitely here I'm going to be using Python. I'm going to be using Python 3, so I hope you guys too are going to use Python 3. But if you have other Python versions, or Python 2.7 or Python 2, I will still let you know and I'll describe with you or explain to you how to use it. Now make sure you download it, download the Python, and if maybe download this is just click on download, or you can go to download here page, then you can select the Python to download you get, or you can click here to view all the list of downloads, then you can describe and pick the version of Python you're going to download from there, which you can download Python 2, Python 2.7, they are here, so you just click on download, which then will give you a chance to download those versions of Python. Now I'm not going to make this video long, so I hope you guys already have Python installed. Now to make life simple, I hope you guys have Python with you installed. So if you really don't know how to install that, so I don't want to leave anyone behind, because I don't want to leave you guys behind at all. So I just hope make sure you guys you have the things set. So after downloading your Python, I hope you guys should have something like this on your PC. After downloading Python, if you download Python 3.7, make sure when you're downloading it you happen to go to path, then go down here where they say to your Python C. If you download Python 7, Python 2.6.7, just go to C and then you go to Python, and then you go to scripts and you copy this scripts and you go to your PC, right click, go to properties, advanced system settings, go to environment variables and click on path, and then you just add your path there. Now mine is here, I think you can see mine, that's for Python 2.7. then for you guys who are using Python 3, you need to go to a long process a little bit. You have to go onto C, double click on C, go to users, go to OSP or to this name of your PC, then look for something called AppData. If you guys don't see AppData, go to view, and then you go to hidden files. Go to hidden file, then you should see AppData there, and then double click on AppData, then go to local here, local, go to programs, and then you go to Python. Then underneath Python, that's where you guys going to set up your Python version. So you need to double click here and you go to the same thing, scripts, go to scripts, and then you copy that same stuff so that you'll be in position to be doing the same thing. So you just need to copy the scripts. So that's a little bit how how messy it is with the Python 3.7. But again, on the other way around, the story is short. You can actually do the same stuff when you're actually adding Python. When you're installing Python, you can add Python to the path at the same time. So you guys, you comment down below on this very video, this video, so that you let me know if you really you're open to download Python successfully. You let me know so that you can get to know on the next video on how to get started and see how to start up using the Python on your pip environment. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you love you. Thank you very much. Love you. Thank you.